Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this beautiful Dreamcatcher. You will need a wooden ring, ribbon, yarn, feathers, thread, beads, and a hot glue gun. First, take your wooden ring and secure one end of your yarn to it using hot glue. Then, tightly wind your yarn around the ring, securing it as you go with hot glue. This can take some time, so just be patient. Once that is done, tie one end of the thread to the ring and weave it into a delicate spider's web pattern. There is no right or wrong here. Be creative and have fun with it. Finally, it's time to decorate. First, we use some thread to suspend this gemstone bead in the center of our Dreamcatcher. Then we carefully tie some feathers to the bottom using ribbon. Next, we add a piece of ribbon to the top so we can hang our Dreamcatcher. And just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own Dreamcatcher. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.